In this series, I will give you photography and video tips in hopefully under 90 seconds. This is episode 2, invest more in learning and less in gear. If you are thinking about spending thousands on a new camera and lenses, think again. New expensive camera won't make you a better photographer. People often end up disappointed that their shiny new toy isn't producing that wow factor that they were expecting. You can take incredible photos you are proud of with the cheapest camera the money can buy, only if you understand the basics of photography and how actually your camera works. Basic understanding of light will transform your photos. Learning about controlling the light by diffusing it or reflecting it will make possible to achieve great results without expensive studio lights or expensive setups. Knowing how different time of day, golden hour, affects your pictures is literally priceless. Composition, there are rules, of course there are rules. Rule of thirds. And following them will certainly help. But guiding yourself by the rules just a little and using common sense will be much more useful than actually stressing if you got it right or not because someone else says it should be shot this way or that way. Exposure, learning about the exposure triangle, aperture, ISO and shutter speed will make all aspects of photography and controlling your camera much easier instantly. Once you understand how those three settings affect each other and your photos, you got it nailed. And it is much easier than you think. So the best advice I can give you is invest in learning. Take photos every day and you will learn quicker. Break the rules but use common sense. Chopping someone's head off or feet off the photo will never be right though, no matter how creative you think you are. So thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up. If you didn't, I'm very sorry. But if you are kind enough to subscribe, I really appreciate every single subscription. And yes, see you next time. Stay creative. Again, aperture. My mouth is not following my brain. So let's do it again. But ISO. Rule of thirds, because someone else it said,